Travel Planners International. We know exactly how hard, charging, passionate, and high energy you are because you're just like us, obsessed with bringing the world closer through travel. And with everything we do, you and your business are in our minds. Your brand, business, and identity are celebrated and supported through the life cycle of your agency. From day one in the industry, when training, community, and guidance are crucial, we ensure you are heading in the right direction. Scaling your business and growing your agency by bringing on even your own advisors is easier when you have our online education options and fellow agency builders community. And finally, when you start looking at ways to retire, we're there for you to connect, guide, and toast your success as you make your decisions. Well, okay, so let's talk about what we include in your fee. Robust proprietary CRM tied to our back office and accounting tools, data for days to help you manage your business. Email marketing program with unlimited contacts for you to craft your own or grab one of our emails. Access itinerary builder and Travel 42 program. Advisor portal that you can access on the go with its mobile responsive design. Point and click, air, car, and hotel booking engine, and double dipping your opportunities. You see, agencies who belong to a host partner with a consortia grow their businesses exponentially, all while maintaining control of their business. And with Signature Travel Network as our consortia, our advisors double dip all day long. Double the sales, exclusive opportunities, double the group space, we share our TCs, double the travel partner support, build additional relationships at a deeper level, and double the marketing options. When you compare host agencies, you'll see we rank high in support, our knowledgeable community, and our family feel. Family owned since 1988, you can feel the commitment we have to our TPI team members with tenures from 5 to 27 years with the family. Partner with us and you are automatically adopted into our TPI Rockstar family. Our Facebook forums are extremely active, always buzzing with questions, comments, suggestions, and ideas. Not only that, but our fun-loving TPI team is always ready to help you out with whatever you need. We've also got you covered with 24/7 support from our community of solo entrepreneurial rock stars and agency owners. So let's go, rock stars. For more information, visit travelplannersinternational.com.